My name is Steve Williams. I'm with Coalition Properties, and I'm here today at 718 13th Street Southeast in Capitol Hill, Washington, D.C. with a golden opportunity for you to live in one unit and make passive income from a second unit. Let's go check out the top floor. Each floor of this house is approximately 700 feet, and it is made with maximum space efficiency. On the first floor, we have this open concept look. The kitchen opens right up into the dining area and into the living room, so when you're entertaining guests, no one misses a beat. No one's left out of the conversation. Upstairs, we have two good-sized bedrooms with two full baths. The secondary bedroom lets in tons of light and has this oversized wardrobe that makes for great closet space. In the hallway, you are going to find a shared bathroom, got great shower heads in both of these bathrooms, great water pressure. The most special part about this house is this perfect basement unit with entirely separate everything. Come on in, come check it out.